Ji ang'wen magin Achije mag jonjore, ochiel gi magina mowito ngimagi yo sombogo marani e kaunti ma Kisii gapisa mag arita mosebedo katimo apedha kasetogi. Kaluwore gi jalup komanda mar obila ma Kisii Charles Kases, ji ang'wen go kaachiel gi mamoko ma obila wacho ni notony moringo lal gi adhonde mag magina noyudo rakore gobila e rakruok mar magina otieno ma piny norugodo nyoro tich ang'wen. Ringre achijego magin kaachiel gi mar miyo moro achiel nochwal e kar kano ringre mar marani mantiere Kitutu Manyandwat e apedha mar manyo jomaundu.
30 hours, somewhere there. We received a distress call from members of public, and which were responded swiftly by our officers based at DCC Marani office, that there was robbery taking place within Marani township at a bakery. So, upon responding, our officers arrived there. We found that the robbers have already left the place. They were able to chase them towards Sombogo Tea Factory, and upon nearing that place, Sombogo Center, the tuk-tuk make Piaggio lost control, and the suspects started shooting at our officers. And fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured. 2 were able to escape, and we believe they are wounded. So we have also launched an investigation to find out whether we can find the 2